Well,
I started a YouTube channel.
see, this
It's
is
called
an this
Madhav
is
Ayush.
yeah. Ayush has started a new YouTube channel, and can you get the black one and come? Then we'll have all four. See, this is the little cute little soul, female rabbit, and my male rabbit is very particular happy with this cute girl that we brought. And male rabbit, my son is chasing after him very unsuccessfully. And I had done a recording in the morning itself, but we went to a pet shop and got this little lady because because the rabbits should never be alone. So now at least they have a companion, and that is the little brat. As you can see, black rabbit, and this male rabbit has already begun humping. So I don't know. We might have a batch of new baby rabbits soon, and it's but this girl is so small and I want to keep her with me. And this is an awkward video, but I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.